Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have an account, email verified, and 2FA enabled. Next, install the Panda Auth CLI v1. 4 or open the dashboard. This gets you into the workflow immediately. Once done, generate an API key and public key and set your redirect URI to match your app. Make sure to store secrets in a secure vault. These first steps create credentials and local tooling, so you can move to configuration without interruption. Now you configure authentication flows. Choose OAuth scopes and token lifetimes that match your security needs. Then initialize the Panda Auth SDK in your app with the API key and callback URL. This wires your front end to the provider. Implement the login redirect, handle the authorization code, and exchange it for tokens. Also add refresh token logic and secure session storage. Once integrated, test login and token renewal to confirm sessions persist and scopes. Finish by running end-to-end tests. Log in, log out, refresh tokens, and verify scopes and force access. Make sure core settings and secure cookies are configured and reduce permissions to least privilege. Deploy environment-specific keys and rotate them regularly. If something goes wrong, use token introspection and Panda Auth logs to trace the issue. Look for mismatched redirect URIs, clock skew, or expired secrets. Once fixed, rerun tests and monitor metrics to ensure stable authentication in production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.